We're here at 10 Pin Alley for our third annual bowling tournament, Bowling Against Hunger. We're raising money to benefit Badger Prairie Needs Network and their fight to end hunger and poverty locally. All of our bowling tournaments have benefited Badger Prairie Needs Network. Basically, the Fitchburg-Verona Rotary Club has chosen to focus on hunger locally as well as students and education. So with the bowling tournament, the proceeds benefit Badger Prairie Needs Network and all the work they do. The wine tasting that's in November, those funds will help to help out youth in the area, particularly through the Verona Area High School, through scholarships, and we're also hoping to get involved in some youth exchange opportunities. It has grown. This year is probably twice as many bowling teams as we've had in previous years. So we're definitely getting the word out more, and every year that we have more bowlers, the more money we can raise and the more money we can donate. So we do have a couple sponsors. LSM Chiropractic and Isthmus Engineering are sponsoring all of the food that's available, and Orange Leaf Yogurt also brought by a bunch of different desserts for people. We have prizes for the 5 top bowlers. We also have a bunch of raffle prizes available, and we're doing a 50-50 raffle drawing. The Rotary Club is basically comprised of local business leaders, professionals, anyone really who is interested in working to help the community and better the community both locally and globally. So being a member of Rotary provides that tool and those resources to help get that done. So we meet weekly Tuesdays here at 10 Pin Alley at noon, and we have all of our information on our website at Fitchburg-Verona-Rotaryclub.org. Otherwise, you can just stop by at noon. We'll buy you lunch as a guest and come check us out and see what we're all about. And we're growing and always looking for new members who are looking to impact some positive change in the community.